radical. It's got these great CCCP graphics from like the 50s, sort of Soviet style thing. Anyhow, this sequencer is awesome. It comes fully assembled just like this. You can also buy a kit on our site too, but it's great. It's got a lot of features. It's got a standard gate. It's got a reset out, S-trig out, clock out. It's got an external reset out. It's got an external reset clear, which allows you to use two of these sequencers together in the same time, and they'll reset at the same reset. It's got an 8 or 16 step switch. There's an 8-step switch here too that allows you to basically go anywhere between 1 through 16 steps. So it's pretty cool. You can see it just goes to 3, dick, 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 dick. Or I can do it all the way up to 8. If I put it over to the 16, it goes through all 16 steps. Got a CV out here, pots per step. Up is on, middle is off, down is hold through. So what it does, if it's on the hold through, it takes the voltage from the previous step and it'll hold through that. So you can make some really great beats and things. There's also a 9 and a 5 voltage switch that basically kind of goes about an octave different. So if you switch that. So right now I've got it. It's also got a manual hold button. You see that light go on there, sort of my fingers out of the way. Manual hold, and then you can kind of like step through the steps. There's also a hard hold where you just hold it there, so you can really tune them into how you want. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's very cool. We got some best pricing. I think it's probably the best priced for what it can offer you out there as far as a 16-step sequencer. Also, there is a length of how long the trigger will actually go. So it can be from staccato notes all the way hold through. So the duty cycle will go through very, very short all the way through 100%. So what I'm doing here is I'm connecting it to my Space drum synth through the CVs going to the CV in on the Space drum synth, as well as the trigger for my gate is going in there. So it's triggering it per step here. And then I also got it going through my Echo Quest, which is our really cool pedal now too. So you're gonna hear some real spacey stuff. It's gonna be rad. And so I'll hopefully be able to show you kind of how it works. So I'm gonna turn the volume up here. Right now I got an 8-step mode. Put it over to 16. These were all off. Turn back on. You can adjust the tempo. Short. We can hold there and also adjust whatever step we want to adjust. Move to the next one. It's got quite a good range. So we'll let it go through these. Speed it up. Also with the Space drum synth, there's quite a bit of different features to make it. Let's turn it real fast. Let's add the delay of the Echo Quest in here. Add the LFO. feedback. Real robotic, tight delay. Let's listen to some steps.